Right? On steak. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, we got this Italian bomba pepper sauce. Oh, this is good. And let's get some Concord grape. That's gonna be perfect. Take it to the shop. Let's do this.
You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside.
This is number one. And I was scared that the sticker won't get over it.
Yeah.
That's why I was like, fuck, I gotta do this shit now.
Oh, changing the color that you had before,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. But he does wraps too. Like he can wrap the whole car.
Nice. Well, yeah, what I'm gonna prepare today is one of the most delicious steak sandwiches ever. Good day to you and how you be, everybody. Yana Costa here and welcome to Taino. And today I'm doing something I don't usually do, you know, meaning record, because I do this every Friday. Every Friday that I'm printing, I'm usually cooking something. Some people that follow me on Instagram, they see the food that I do, but today we're gonna put this in the video and we're gonna enjoy. What I wanna do today is a butcher steak sandwich. Oh, delicious, man. I got all the ingredients to talk about it, but before anything, right now I got the Casillero del Diablo right here. This is a red wine, and it's a Cabernet Sauvignon, and this one is the one that they show a lot in with Chef Ramsay in the Hell's Kitchen or one of the shows. But this wine is pretty good, man. So before we start printing, we just gotta get a little bit of wine and ooh, oh wow, tastes pretty good, man. So before I even do anything, bring out the steak, I just want to set up the screens. I'm doing a one color print on the front and one color print on the back. On the front is going to be a left chest print. We're going to measure how you print on the back, the measurements on the back of the shirt. So we're going to have some fun. We're going to do some cooking, man. Why not, man? So let's do it. Let me get going to the dark room.
Yeah, I'm watching the rise. This one's for the ride. This one's for who knew I make it, just needed some time. Outside.
All right. While the screen is drying, let's start prepping up the food. The ingredients to prepare the sandwich are going to be using some basil, Italian bomba, hot pepper sauce, a little beef bouillon. You're going to see what I'll do with that. Some olive oil, some grape Concord. We're gonna mix that with something. And the main course of this dish right here, man, a beautiful porterhouse steak, and we're gonna grill it on an electric grill, man. Oh, we're gonna see how good you could cook a steak with that grill. The bread, when it comes to the bread, oh, let me cut this bread right here. I'm gonna take that nice good piece right here. Oh, this one right here. Sesame seed Italian bread. Oh man, delicious, man. Woo! Love that sesame seed, man. All right, first thing that I do is with the steak, I do not put salt. I add a little bit of the beef bouillon. This is like, you know, that little beef flavor on paste, but I get it in powder, so then I could just sprinkle it right on the steak, and it's gonna give it a much better taste than if you put salt. That's the little secret right there. Just make sure you put it all over, real nice. Woo! Oh yeah. And then finish it with a little black pepper. Just on the side, just a little. We're gonna do it once it's frying. Get it like that. Turn the other side. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna let that sit for a while. And what I'm gonna be using is some little olive oil, just so I could just I call it, just spread a little bit on the steak. So once it goes on the grill, oh, this is gonna be awesome, man. All right, let's give some time for the steak to marinate a little. Well, meanwhile, I'm gonna take a little jar. I'm gonna take some of this grape jelly right here. put a little bit in it because this is gonna be like the little sauce that we're gonna put on the bread, on the sandwich. Oh, what a delicious taste it does. Take a little bit of jelly, then come, take a little bit of this red wine right here. Oh, that's gonna be nice. That's it. That's good there. What you do now is just mix it, man. Just mix it. All right. Oh man. Oh, that is so good. You gotta do it. All right. So I'm gonna let this sit here. I already turned on the electric grill. Take a little sip of this wine, and now let's get printing. We want to thank our sponsor for today's video, which is Printavo. If you're having issues with managing orders or deadlines, then I highly recommend Printavo. Printavo is a simple management software. Printavo will help you manage orders, handle scheduling, automation, and online stores. Regardless if you're a small or big print shop, Printavo will help you streamline your business. Right now, if you go to printavo.com and use the promo code Taino, you're gonna get 50% off the first month. And the good thing is that once you go into printavo.com, there are 3 packages that you could choose, which is best for you. Your small print shop, you know what you're gonna use. Your big print shop, there's a package for you. So I want to thank Printavo for sponsoring today's video. When it comes to left chest prints, this is the rule of thumb right here. Just make sure that it's 4 fingers from the collar, which is 4 inches, and from the middle, this is the middle here, about 2 inches from that middle. The larger the size, once you start going to extra large 2X, then you have to move more towards the left. Every other side about 1.5 inches from that extra large 2X, 3X. You just keep going, you know, because it's a wider shirt, it's gonna get print. So that's how you print a left chest print.
And I'm still here with who I started with. Not your average artist, I am not the one to bargain with. I am not the one to, no. And I'm still here with who I started with. Not your average artist, I am not the one to bargain with. Competition, target practice, I don't see no targets hit. I fear God and that's all I fear. This is not a
placement of back of the t-shirt. You want at least 5 inches from the collar. Just like this, 5 inches from the collar, which is, for me, it's like 5 fingers. That's what you want to place when it comes to any back print. Now, if it's a very long design, then you have to then bring it up a little according. You don't want it all the way too low, but usually a normal design, 10 by 10, 13 by 13, you're gonna put it 5 fingers from top of the collar.
I've been down, we up now. Here now, so I'ma make it last. Look for the future, I can't live in the past. And I seen a picture, the dot in that crash. But thank God I ain't too cool for the safe belt. My 2 kids in the back can't imagine how they felt, and they cried.
Oh man, these shirts came out nice. It's about, I think it was 35 t-shirts. 1 print in the front, 1 print in the back. Like it, you make good money, and you get it done. I got this done in less than 2 hours, front and back, man. That's how you wanna get your printing going. But now, let me slice up that ribeye steak and prep the sandwich that I wanna show you guys, because right now, from now on, if we printing, we eating. Oh, getting hot up in here, man. Job well done. They came out real nice, very quick. Those are the nice, good, easy jobs we could do. So right now, let's start with the steak. Got the grill ready nice and hot, about 500 something degrees hot. Right here, there goes the steak right here. Let's just put it in there. Woo! Flatten it out, look at that. Now, while that's frying, let's leave it there for about 3 minutes on each side. Turn it around, should do real good. Just make sure that it's nice and flat. Oh yeah, smell that baby boy. So now we're gonna prepare the sandwich. The first thing I do is I'm gonna take a little bit of this beautiful Italian bomba hot pepper sauce. This is spicy. We're gonna take a little bit of it and right here, put it right on the bread. Oh man, you can see this is, oh, spicy. Right there, look at that, nice. That looks good. The next thing we're gonna add is that grape with the wine, the sauce here. On the other side, we're gonna spread it around. Make sure that it's nice and spread. Oh yeah, I use my fingers, man. It's stained right here. I ain't serving nobody. There you go. That right there's the sauce. I'll throw a little bit of sauce at the end. But that, we're ready. We're gonna flip this baby. Woo! There you go. Nice. Nice right there. You got the grill mark. Got the bread. And this is cheese that you fry. It's called queso de freír. And ready for that. Got the base already all nice and chopped up. And that's it. I think we're ready to wait for that one and slice it up. Once you start seeing the blood coming out of the steak, you know it's already done. You're gonna take it apart. Oh, look at this baby right here. We're just gonna let it rest right there for about 10 minutes, let all the juices settle. Meanwhile, while that's happening, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this queso de freír and I'm gonna put it right there. I'm gonna grill this baby, it's gonna start melting, and that's what we're gonna add on top of the steak. This cheese is already done, so let me pull it out, let it settle just while the steak is happening. Look at this. This cheese, I mean, oh, beautiful. Look at this baby. Woo! Let it cool down for a bit, and then get ready to prep the sandwich. We already got the hot sauce, the jelly with the wine. We're gonna take the meat, we're gonna place it all right here. Oh man, look at this. The whole steak fits right there perfectly. What you do with the bone? Oh my God. Woo! Oh, this is delicious, man. Damn. So now I'm gonna take some of the basil. Not too much. Just a little bit of the basil, just to give it that little basil taste. Cut a little too much. Perfect there. Now comes the cheese. What I'm gonna do with the cheese, I'm just gonna slice it. Little slices like that. And then just put it on top like this. Oh, that's good, man. And after that, we're gonna come just a little bit of olive oil right around all that. Oh man, that looks delicious. And the little sauce that was left over just to go on the other side. I'm gonna place it. Now, that is a sandwich right here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Delicious. That's what I'm talking about. Steak came out tender, juicy. That this bomba, hot pepper sauce with the jelly, all that combination tastes amazing, man. So I'm gonna finish this up, man. So if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be thankful always, be grateful always, and just let God take you on the ride. Peace out. Oh yeah. Oh, back is done. Look at this baby. Looks beautiful. The colors. Ooh. Look at the front right there. Top. Nice. Nice. Hey, Oscar, great job, man. Great job, yo. Oh, man, that's it. You're out already now. You got it. That's it, man. All right, man. Be safe out there, my brothers. All right, yo.